I have heard that you like to make things in your free time. Can you tell me about some of the tasks that you've been working on?
So I collect turntables, and there's a couple laying around the house that aren't working. So I wanted to try to find a way to make something out of it. And so there is a guy named Robert Hausar who created his drawing apparatus. So basically, it's a pen that is attached to a turntable, and depending on where you place it on the turntable, it creates some type of drawing, curves and art and stuff like that. So I took his design. His is actually using a wood arm. So I decided to use metal. So I created a metal arm, and so yeah, right now I'm just experimenting on it, and it's just a trial and error type of thing.
Oh, that's awesome! And you're going to write about that in our issue on Makers in DIY, correct?
Yes, and I've actually documented some of my progress along the way.
Oh, that's fantastic! So you think our readers might learn how to take away something from it? Maybe
Absolutely, and I think that you can probably incorporate that into Dynamo. To create some type of simulation, figure out what's going to happen before you actually, or know where to place it on the turntable, before you start creating this art.
Okay, so you could actually guide the drawing a little bit better. Oh, that's fantastic. I can't wait to read it.